Have you heard of Wi-Fi HaLow? Apparently, it gives you Wi-Fi range like never before, and I wanted to try it out. This is the Lorex Wi-Fi battery-operated system with Wi-Fi HaLow. You simply connect the NVR to power, pair the camera, and you're good to go. Let's see how far this camera can reach. I've now walked past a few houses and the camera signal strength is still strong. Even now, it's still connected. A little pause while I'm moving with the camera, but a strong signal when standing still. Here's another look at how far down the road we've walked. About to cross the street and we're still connected. Still connected from this far away. Wow, that's impressive. Okay, it's starting to pause a little bit, and done. So there you have it. It went much further than I expected. The Lorex Wi-Fi HaLow is pretty impressive.